Claiming ownership of untitled land question. How do I claim ownership of untitled land in the Philippines? Answer: claiming ownership of untitled land in the Philippines can be a complex process, but it's crucial for securing your rights and protecting your investment. Here's a detailed guide based on the provided search results. Understanding the difference between registered and unregistered land. Registered land. This land has a title attached to it and is registered in the Registry of Deeds. This provides legal recognition and protection for the landowner. Unregistered land. This land has no owner in the eyes of the law and lacks registration in the Registry of Deeds. This leaves the landowner vulnerable to disputes and potential government expropriation without just compensation. Steps to claim ownership of untitled land. Determine land eligibility. Not all lands are eligible for registration. Forest reserves, mineral lands, and previously titled lands are excluded. Gather necessary documents. You'll need to provide evidence of possession and ownership. This includes tax declarations. These documents show you've been paying taxes on the land, indicating your claim of ownership. Statements from other landowners. Testimonies from neighbors confirming your possession of the land can be helpful. Survey plans or blueprints. These documents provide a technical description of the property, confirming its boundaries and identity. File for registration. If the land hasn't been filed for registration, submit the necessary documents to the appropriate government agency, usually the Land Registration Authority (LRA). File for opposition if necessary. If someone else claims ownership of the same unregistered land, you'll need to file for opposition in the Registry of Deeds. This is supported by Section 25 of Presidential Decree 1529 Property Registration Decree. You'll need to prove your entitlement to the land through evidence of possession and identity. Pay required fees. You'll need to pay various fees, including application, legal, court, survey, and administrative charges. Transfer of title. Once all documents are approved, you'll be issued a certificate of title, providing you with legal ownership and protection. Alternative methods for claiming ownership. Judicial process. You can file a petition for original registration of title in court. You'll need to provide evidence of possession and meet other court requirements. The court will then direct the LRA to issue a decree of registration and a certificate of title. Administrative process. This involves applying for a patent title from the Department of Environment and Natural Resources (DENR). The DENR will review your application and, if approved, issue a patent title that has the same purpose as a Torrens title. Important considerations. Legal assistance. It's highly recommended to consult with a real estate lawyer to guide you through the process, gather necessary documents, and handle any legal complexities.